there. Today we are going outside to cook something big on the Traeger Flatrock griddle. So we're gonna start with a really big pack of chicken, and we're gonna do 2 separate marinades just to keep it fun and exciting around here. Got some BBQ from the BBQ man, and some teriyaki. Back it up. So what I want to do is I'm going to divide this in 2 just because I want to do half barbecue, half teriyaki. I'm going to add some other ingredients into the teriyaki just because I can't help but doctor up something I've already bought. It's a problem. I'm going to seek help for it one day. All right, so I'm going to get like some ginger, some garlic. I think we have some chives in the fridge, but otherwise I'd use cilantro if we had that. So I'm gonna put all those things in the teriyaki marinade. And for the barbecue one, I'm just gonna literally put barbecue sauce in a bowl and call it a day. Because why not? And where should I like discard stuff? Like this. Good thing we have like 5,000 bowls, but still never enough. Still never enough. Okay, so time to put on some gloves. You know, some big chickies. So the deal is we thought that this chicken was completely frozen because it's been defrosting in the freezer for about 2 days now, but just not the case. It's almost completely defrosted, but we're just running it through the microwave for maybe a minute just to make sure there's like no extra little iciness on the inside. We've never done any microwave meals. And we probably never will. I'm gonna take off the gloves and I'll do the rest of it with just tongs. All right, they're just thawed out a little bit, and just for the heck of it, I'm gonna pat it dry with some paper towel. And this is how you pat things dry with paper towel. You go like this. And then they're dry. It's like so easy. I'll post a recipe for it later. Okay. So what we have going on here are chives, and we have a couple of cloves of garlic, and we have a piece of ginger that I broke off of a bigger piece of ginger. In it goes. There's really no right or wrong answer for how much to use. This smells so good. All right, so the teriyaki seasoning marinade is ready to go in the fridge. All right, now it's time for barbecue sauce, and I'm just gonna put the barbecue sauce in. I'm not gonna add anything to it. You can use any barbecue sauce you'd like. Mix it up. All right, I think we're ready for this to marinate about half an hour, and then we'll go heat up the griddle. So what's our game plan?
Well, I got 2 to 3 burners on like medium high for the
Okay.
chicken because that's going to take up a lot of room, I think. And then the other burner is on kind of like a lower setting for the broccoli, onions, and the peppers. I'll do the onions first because they can kind of get caramelized, and then the broccoli, and the peppers.
When are you doing the chicken?
Chicken first.
Okay, Cool. I'm hungry already. Tell me about the 3 zones.
There's 3 zones.
Very insightful. I see the smoke a-coming. Whoa! Holy moly. Well, it looks so good. Okay. Do it again. Woo! A little water on there from the bowl of broccoli. Very nice, very nice. The garlic, because we couldn't decide. Yummy! Water. Look at all that we have here. It's a freaking feast up in here. Barbecue chicken, teriyaki chicken, some griddled onions and peppers, and some griddled broccoli. Yum. Now, to be honest, can't wait to dig into this. I'm obviously just holding it. The chicken needs to rest about 10 minutes so all the juices are stable inside. But we weren't exactly the most happy with this cook. It's just our first time cooking this sort of chicken with a marinade on the griddle. I'm sure it's gonna taste great, but I think next time we're gonna play around with what we can do to make it so the chicken does not char so much, but I'm not necessarily concerned because that's kind of the deliciousness of grilling the chicken. So we'll just check it out. I know the chicken breasts were very large, which meant that it took extra long time to cook them thoroughly. So next time we might just pound the chicken a bit thinner. So to be continued, check back at Sit Bite Go for our next recipe. Cheers! It looks phenomenal. Wow, this looks really incredible. Well, we got lucky because we just barely missed the rain outside. We were able to season the Flatrock, griddle, and we're all done basically. But I had to show you, this chicken came out so good. We're a little concerned because the outside was super charred because of the marinade and everything and the heat. And you know, we're just starting to play with chicken on the griddle, but can you see that?